Jeremy, I know that you have a really cool company, firetail.io. Tell me, why is it so cool and why is it important for us to know about it?
Well, we talked about the importance of APIs in general, and then kind of on the back of that, you think about the importance of API security. I think the thing for me that makes what we're doing at Firetail really exciting is that we're really out to make it easier to make more secure APIs. And that kind of comes in two flavors. So one is we have an open source offering that's just out there. Anybody who is building an API, whether you're a software developer, whether it's you're a security team partnering with software developers, you can just go grab this library. It's available in JavaScript for Node.js, Python, Golang, Ruby for Ruby on Rails. You can just go grab it. And honestly, if the outcome of this is to just get people to go use the open source and make more secure APIs, that's a fantastic result for us and for the entire web. But the second thing is what we're seeing from organizations is the positive impact they can have on their ability to kind of build their business ecosystem through APIs. And again, I think about security as an enabling function to the organization. So you get secure APIs in place, you can build those third-party business relationships with a high level of confidence about your, kind of like the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your APIs, the CIA model of cybersecurity. That's something that I think is actually transformative for business. You get that flywheel effect of bringing in third parties who add value on top of what you're doing, and vice versa, you're adding value on top of what they're doing. That's what APIs allow businesses to do with each other and with their data and technologies.
That's awesome. I mean, it sounds like you're doing some really cool things. I want to just ask an add-on to that. How can people work with you, whether they're looking to solidify some of their own solutions and the APIs they offer, or flip that? How are they going to work with you to help with their third-party APIs that they're working with?
Yeah, that's something that we're looking at for later this year. We're in the process of trying to kind of pull down a list of all of the most popular third-party commercial APIs that people would use. You think of things like Twilio or MessageBird or Plaid or a lot of these kind of common APIs that developers are including in their tech stacks. We're looking at trying to build a map of the risks associated with those APIs, whether it's from, let's say, the API configuration or helping you to monitor the traffic flowing in and out between your systems and those third parties, and then kind of observing to make sure there's no tampering, make sure we're not observing any kind of malicious traffic patterns within any of that API traffic. That's later this year.